Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight.
Good morning mga kapatid, and welcome back to our channel. So this morning, we're going to discuss about Math Module 5, Lesson 4 of the second quarter. So this is about multiplication of decimals up to 2 decimal places. Okay, example number 1. 6.48 times 9. So let's try to multiply this one. So we'll start here. 9 times 8 is 72. So 2 carries 7. Then 9 times 4 is 36. Then 36 plus 7, that is 43. So 3 carry 4. Then 6 times 9 is 54 plus 4, that is 58. Now the second step will be, let's count the number of decimal places. So here we have 1, 2. So from the decimal point, count going to the right. So again, from the decimal point, count 1, 2. So we have 2 decimal places. Okay, below, there's no decimal place because this is whole number. So we have only 2 places. So count 2 in the answer. So 1, 2, then put the decimal place. So the answer here is 58 and 32 hundredths. Example number 2. So let's start here. So 2 times 8 is 16. So 6 carry 1. Then 2 times 9 is 18 plus 1, that is 19. So 9 carry 1. Then 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1, that is 1. Okay, second digit. So 1 times 8 is 8. Then 1 times 9 is 9. Then 1 times 0 is 0. So next step here, we have to add. So let's add. 6 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 8 is 17. So 7 carry 1. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. So then 2 plus 9 is 11. So 1 carry 1. Then 1 plus 0 is 1. So we have to count the number of decimal places. So this is the decimal place. So count going to the right. We have 1, 2. So we have 2 decimal places. So 2, 1, 2. Then put the decimal place. So the answer here is 11 and 76 hundredths. Example number 3. 6.78 times 5. So let's try to multiply. So 5 times 8, that is 40. So 0 carry 4. 7 times 5 is 35 plus 4 is 39. So 9 carry 3. Then here, 5 times 6 is 30. 30 plus 3, that is 33. Then we will count the number of decimal places. From the decimal place going to the right, we have 1, 2. So 2 decimal places. So 1, 2. Okay, put the decimal place. Then we have the answer 33 and 90 hundredths. Example number 4. 9 and 56 hundredths times 8. So let's try to multiply. 8 times 6, that is 48. So 8 carry 4. Then we have 8 times 5, that is 40 plus 4, that is 44. So 4 carry 4. Then 8 times 9, that is 72. So 72 plus 4, that is 76. Then count the number of decimal places. So we have 1, 2. So 2 decimal places. So we'll count 2 here. So 1, 2, then the decimal place. So the answer here is 76 and 48 hundredths. Okay, example number 5. So we have 1 and 9 tenths or 1.9 times 98. So let's start here. So multiply 8 times 9, that is 72. So 2 carry 7. Then 8 times 1, that is 8, plus 7, that is 15. Then, the second digit, the second multiplier is 9. So, 9 times 9, that is 81. So, 1 carry 8. Then, 9 times 1 is 9. So, 9 plus 8 is 17. So, what will we do next? We have to add this one. So, add 2 plus 0 is 2. Then, 6 plus 1 is, 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Then 1 plus 7 is 8. Then 0 plus 1 is 1. Then count the decimal places. So we have only 1. So there's 1 decimal place only. So 1, then put the decimal place. So the answer here is 186 and 2/10. Okay, example number 6. We have here 22 and 7/10 or 22.7 times 0.08 or 8/100. So let's try to multiply. 8 times 7, that is 56. So 6 carry 5. Then 8 times 2 is 16 plus 5, that is 21. So 1 carry 2. Then 8 times 2 is 16 plus 2, that is 18. And here we have the 0, the multiplier 0. So 0 times 7 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. Then 0 times 2 is 0. Then add. So bring down 6 or 6 plus 0, that is 6. Then 1 plus 0 is 1. 8 plus 0 is 8. Then 1 plus 0 is 1. So count the number of decimal places. Here we have 1. In the bottom we have 1, 2. So here we have 1, here we have 2. So 1 plus 2, that is 3. So meaning we have 3 decimal places all in all. So we have to count 3. 1, 2, 3, then put the decimal place. So the answer here is 1 and 816 thousandths. Example number 7. So we have here 73 and 82 hundredths times 28 hundredths. So let's start to multiply, starting with this one. 8 times 2 is 16. So 6 carry 1. 8 times 8 is 64 plus 1 is 65. So 5 carry 6. Then 8 times 3, that is 24. Plus 6, that is 30. So 0 carry 3. Then 8 times 7 is 56. Plus 3, that is 59. Okay. So second multiplier is the number 2. So we have 2 times 2, that is 4. Then 2 times 8 is 16. So 6 carry 1. Then 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Then 2 times 7 is 14. Then what is the next step? We have to add. So 6 plus 0 is 6. Then we have 5 plus 4 is 9. Then 0 plus 6 is 6. Then 9 plus 7 is 16. So 6 carry 1. Then 1 plus 5 is 6. Plus 4 is 10. So 0 carry 1. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. Then the last step, we have to count the number of decimal places. So here we have 1, 2. Then here we have 1, 2. So 2 plus 2, we have 4 places in all. So 4 decimal places in all. So we have to count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then put the decimal place. So the answer here is 20 and 6,696 10,000ths. Okay, thank you so much friends for listening to this video. And if you have learned something, please do subscribe the channel and hit that notification bell. Goodbye!
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me.